discuss how to calculate new formula of Excel, choose, and we will learn how to calculate choose and what is the benefit of choose function in Excel. So it is used in financial uh, modeling, or we can say in financial analyst. If you are financial analyst, so sometimes you use this formula. So here uh, there is three criteria or option like optimistic case, base case, and worst case. In three cases, companies revenue this one in financial year 11, 12, 13, and 14 here. And and this is the option number one, option number two, option number three. So what we have to do, we have to use just choose. Then firstly we have to select the category, then comma, this one, comma, this one, comma, this one, bracket close. We have to freeze only index number, just okay. Then just copy this formula for financial year. Now in third case, so what's the third case? Loss case. We our revenue is 111 109 10498. If the second, then our sale is 120 132 140 1444. So when we change the index number, so our sale also change. So sometimes it is used when you want to present the data, like if the condition is this, if the revenue condition is loss, so how much revenue we will earn. So where that time we can use this formula.